America's first production fiberglass sports car, the 1954 Kaiser Darrin 161 Convertible. A rare and innovative car wearing a well-detailed older restoration, this Kaiser Darrin comes finished in the period-correct shade of Pine Tint with matching vinyl interior and 3-position soft top. As you can see, it's got its trademark pocket sliding doors, a beautiful car inside and out that runs and drives excellent. One of just 435 produced, a legend of 1950s motoring. While built in small numbers, it paved the way for the greater success of the Corvette and the Thunderbird. This collector-grade example would be at home in any collection.